OnePlus V Fold, which is OnePlus's rumored foldable smartphone, has leaked in all its glory, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything about it. Hello everyone, I'm Ania for Fiiber. So let's talk about foldables. Let's talk about the Indian smartphone market. So we keep on saying that foldables have become mainstream, but have they really? I mean, just ask yourself, what all smartphones come to your mind when you think of a foldable? This one, or this phone, or this, or this one. Exactly, these all are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold or the Z Flips of the world, and I don't think so apart from Samsung there's any other prominent smartphone maker that's been making foldables for the last 4-5 years. I mean, yes, we can include the Phantom V Fold, that's a different case, sorry Techno. But other than Samsung, there's no other smartphone maker in the country that's giving you foldables, and yeah, that's the story. But I think things are about to change because OnePlus is all set to get into the mix, as the OnePlus V Fold is rumored to launch very soon. The leaks are live on the internet, and I'm going to show you how the phone looks like. But before we go any further, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos, and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. So the OnePlus V Fold has leaked online courtesy of OnLeaks and Smart Pricks, and this is how the phone looks like. And first impressions, I love the part that first of all OnePlus V Fold was speculated to be this reworked Oppo Find N2 Fold, but looking at the renders, I think there's going to be an original design, which is a great thing, I believe. So breaking down the other aspects of the foldable, you can see that the rear of the smartphone could sport a faux leather design for a premium in-hand feel, along with a large camera module. Speaking of which, you can see that the Hasselblad branding is quite prominent. There are 3 lenses that can be spotted. The main camera is speculated to be an IMX890 50 megapixel sensor along with an ultra wide angle camera, and the third one, what seems to be a periscope lens. Now the front camera is tipped to be a 32 megapixel camera, and speaking of the front, OnePlus seems to be sticking to a corner aligned hole punch camera design rather than an under display camera like how Galaxy Z Fold series sport. But other notable inclusions that can be seen are the metal frame, then there's the power button, and I believe the side mounted fingerprint scanner could be embedded in the power button. Then the alert slider is also there. Then apart from this, the front has a pre-applied dark wallpaper, so I can't make out the bezels, but I believe this phone could be sporting slim bezels, finger crossed for that. Other than this, rumored hardware specifications include an unannounced Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chip, which would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The display could be a 2K 120Hz AMOLED display. I think so. This one would be the inner display. As for the outer display, I believe that could be at least a 1080p panel. Again, I'm speculating 120Hz AMOLED. And we can also expect up to 16 GB RAM options. A 4800 mAh battery is also tipped, along with a 100-watt fast charging. Now regarding the anticipated launch date, there's no final word on the exact launch timeline, but if you remember, like during MWC earlier this year, OnePlus did confirm that they will launch their foldable smartphone in Q3 of this year. So Q3 is almost around the corner, and credible sources are also believing that the phone could launch in August of this year. Finally, when it comes to the price, I believe that OnePlus is going to seriously undercut the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and industry experts are believing that the OnePlus V Fold could cost 1 lakh rupees. Now I believe that this would be the starting price of the phone, that is 1 lakh for the base variant of the OnePlus V Fold. But yes guys, that's about it for the OnePlus V Fold. You've just seen the renders, you've just heard about the rumored specifications. What are your thoughts on the matter? What do you think about the pricing? Let me know everything in the comments below, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.